Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're looking at solving linear systems graphically. So here we have two linear equations, and what we want to do is figure out where they cross. And where they cross is the solution, is the x and the y that would satisfy both linear equations. Alright, so let's take a look at an example. Alright, so what I'm going to do is graph each one of these equations. I'm going to start with this one first. Okay, and I got that y equals mx plus b. Okay, and the b on this one is 3. So that's the y-intercept. So I'm going to go to 3 on the y-intercept. And then the m is the slope, which is negative 1/2. So I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 2. Alright, so now I got a negative slope that starts at 3 for the y-intercept. If you need an extra point, you can go up 1 and back 2 too. That'll be positive 1, negative 2. So then you just go take my ruler and draw a line. Alright, so that's the first one. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the second one. Now notice how for the slope it has a negative 3. In order to make it a fraction, just put it over 1. Okay? And I'm going to do that one in blue. So I'm going to start with the y-intercept, which in this case is negative 2, right there. So that's all the way down here. Make a point here. And then do my slope, which is negative 3, 1. I'm going to write that over here. The slope is negative 3, 1. Right? So with negative 3, 1, I would come down 3 and go over 1. And I could draw a line straight from there, but to make it easier to connect the line there, I'm going to go ahead and make another point by using positive 3 over negative 1, which is the same thing. So I'm going to go up 3 and back 1. Okay, and now I'm going to take the ruler again and draw a straight line. It's not perfect there, but I can see where they cross at. They cross right here. So what I want to do is find where that point is. I'm going to go over to the left, negative 2, and go up, positive 4. So that's going to be, my point is going to be negative 2, positive 4. Alright, so what does that mean? That means I could put negative 2, positive 4 in both the blue linear function and the red linear function, and it will come out true. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Alright, so I'm going to start with this first one here. And it has an understood 1. So the slope there is going to be negative 1 over 1. And the y-intercept is going to be 3. So I'm going to go to 3 on the y-axis. Go down 1. Let me write this out. 3 is the y-intercept. The slope is negative 1 over 1. Not m, but 1. So now I'm going to go down 1 and to the right 1. Or I can go up 1 and back 1. Make some dots. Draw my line. Okay, and now I'm going to do this one. The y-intercept is negative 2. And the slope is negative 6 over 1. So I start all the way down here at negative 2. Okay, I go down 6, but I can't go down 6. So what I could do is just change this to positive 6 over negative 1. So I go up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go back 1. And then draw a line from there. Alright, and my point is right here. And that's going to be -1 up to +4. So my point is -1, 4. That's the solution that could satisfy both of these. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And that is solving linear systems graphically, level 1. I'm going to do level 2 in a future video. But for now, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.